This is the Fluff Frost and Roll die set from Spellbinders. There's 17 different dies in this set to create these accessories, these baking tools, as well as the hello sentiment, the icing bag, and then an adorable floral. I have these all die cut, and I did a little bit of light ink blending to add a little bit of visual dimension. They're really easy to layer together and to have fun with. I didn't have room to put the spatula and the wooden or the whisk on the front of the card, so I added it to the inside of the card for something a little fun. It also works well with the sentiment that's in there. I love the rolling pin and the fact that you can add the texture to the inside of the rolling pin or leave it out if you want. That hello sentiment has some lines in it, so it worked perfect with that piping bag to make it look like the word was piped hello on the front of the card. This is part of the Make It and Bake It collection, and it also coordinates really well with the rest of the collection. So fun for creating cards, but you could also easily use them for scrapbook layouts or mixed media projects or even junk journals. Such a fun collection to create with, perfect for any baker.